When people talk about semiconductors, they talk about ASML, TSMC, NVIDIA. But almost nobody talks about the companies that make the chemistry, the plating solutions that fill vias, build wiring, and literally connect the chips powering AI. Today, we're diving into JCU Corporation. JCU is a Japanese surface treatment specialist whose copper plating chemistries quietly enable the back end of semiconductor manufacturing. This is the hidden champion behind the wiring of the AI era. JCU is best known for electroplating and surface treatment chemicals, originally for PCBs and automotive parts, but in recent years, they have aggressively expanded into semiconductor and electronic component applications. They are targeting Taiwan, Korea, Japan, and China, the world's densest semiconductor clusters. Their portfolio includes electrolytic copper plating, electroless copper, and surface treatment chemicals. This combination, chemistry plus integrated plating equipment, is rare, and it's one of JCU's biggest strategic advantages. They sell the machines that run their proprietary chemistry. As chips move into advanced packaging, chiplets, 2.5D interposers, and RDL layers, the wiring density skyrockets. Every high-speed networking ASIC relies on void-free via filling. Copper plating is the backbone of all of this. If the plating chemistry is unstable, you get voids or delamination, and the entire package fails. JCU's chemistries are engineered for tight morphology control. JCU's moat comes from 4 reinforcing strengths. First, deep chemistry expertise. Decades of R&D give them proprietary formulations that competitors struggle to replicate. Second, integration. JCU doesn't just sell chemicals, they sell the plating machines that run them. This reduces variability and locks in customers for long cycles. Third, long qualification cycles. Once a chemistry is qualified in a substrate or packaging line, fabs rarely switch. Requalification can take months, and risks yield loss. Fourth, next-gen semiconductor processes. In 2023, JCU launched TIFARES RDP and TCE for rewiring layers, designed for 2-micron and below wiring. They are also moving into TSVs and hybrid bonding. JCU's business model has 3 powerful characteristics. First, recurring revenue. Plating chemicals are consumed continuously, making revenue stable once a customer is onboarded. Second, geographic positioning. They have a strong presence in Taiwan, Korea, and China, including a new factory in Hubei to capture domestic demand. This places them in the heart of the supply chain. They compete in a specialized field. Major global competitors include Umicore, McDermott Alpha, BASF, and Entegris. Collectively, the top players hold over 60% of the market. Where JCU stands out is their strength in Asia and the integration of equipment with chemistry. However, global giants like Aditech have larger scale, and Chinese suppliers are rapidly improving. No hidden champion is without risk. JCU faces technology shifts toward direct copper-to-copper bonding or alternative processes that could reduce chemical demand. There is also China localization pressure. As China pushes for domestic semiconductor materials, local competitors may eventually displace foreign suppliers like JCU. Despite the risks, JCU is positioned for growth. The AI and high-performance computing boom means more chiplets, which means more RDL layers and more copper plating. Future opportunities lie in TSVs and hybrid bonding. JCU's joint research with Tohoku University positions them early in these critical technologies for next-generation AI chips. JCU isn't a household name, but its chemistry is inside the wiring of the world's most advanced chips. As AI accelerates, JCU quietly shapes the future of semiconductor performance. This is a true hidden champion.